Hi everyone, it's Miss Nicole. I recently got these pretty flowers and they gave me so much inspiration to try and make my own flowers. So I went out around the house and I looked for some pine cones and some sticks. I took all my pine cones and painted them super bright and colorful just like my flowers, but I added in a couple extra colors too. And then I painted all my sticks green. What do you think my sticks are going to be for if you look at my flowers? If the pine cones are the flower part, I'm going to say that these green sticks are going to be all these nice long stems. So after I painted my pine cones and my sticks, the only thing left to do was glue them together. So I took some nice hot glue and I learned that sticks with the most surface volume makes it easier to glue on the pine cones. It's super hard to make the stick stay to just the very bottom, so I find it easier if you glue the pine cone to the back so it has more room to stick. Then you hold it on to dry, and then once it's all dry, you gotta add it to your flowers. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to this one. Sometimes it also helps if you just put lots of glue around it, just so it has more places to stick. As this one's drying, I'll add in my other ones that I already glued on, and we will get to see what the bouquet looks like. This was a super fun and easy project, which requires very little materials to make. Just pine cone stick and a little bit of paint. And now look, even when I don't have these flowers anymore, I'll still have my new flowers that I just made. They'll last for such a long time. But I wonder, what do you guys think? When I did my science experiment on pine cones, I learned that pine cones are closed when they're wet, but when they dry, they open up. Do you think the paint will make them stay closed forever? Or do you think that they'll dry enough to open up? It's like a science experiment inside of my art project. I can't wait to see over a couple of days if they're gonna start to open up or if they're gonna stay closed. Because then they'll look like the flowers. Flowers start off closed. I don't know if you could see my little bud here. But they start off as a little bud and then they open up to be all sorts of pretty flowers. So I wonder if my pine cones will stay like buds or if they'll open up. I guess we'll have to stay tuned to see. I hope you guys had fun making a super cute bouquet of flowers with me. See you soon.